Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of the butterfly method, using the butterfly method to add fractions with unlike denominators. As most of you know, and as I've said on previous videos, we cannot add fractions if the denominator is not the same. 3/10 plus 1/14, we cannot add those fractions together as they are. We need a common denominator in order to add fractions. So step one is to find that common denominator. And we find the common denominator by multiplying our two different denominators. So we are going to multiply 10 times 14. So 10 times 14 equals 140. So 140 is going to be our common denominator. Now to find out the numerators, we have to multiply each numerator by the opposite denominator. So we need to multiply 3 times 14. And then we need to multiply 10 times 1. That's why we call this the butterfly method, because it is in the shape of a butterfly. All right, 3 times 14 equals 42. 10 times 1 equals 10. So now the final step is we have to add these two numerators together. Now if you want to rewrite the full problem with the new common denominator so it's easier to see, I can do that as well. So 3/10 converts to 42 140ths, and 1/14 converts to 10 140ths. And now that we have a common denominator, we can add these two numbers together. So we can now add our numerator since our denominator is common. So 42 plus 10 equals 52. And we have our final answer. 3/10 plus 1/14 equals 52 140ths. Now, I called that the final answer. Keep in mind, our answer is not in lowest terms. Our answer can be simplified. 52 140ths can definitely be simplified, but that is our final answer for this video because I prefer to keep my reducing fractions to lowest terms videos separate from my adding and subtracting fractions videos. I don't want to give all of you too many steps at once. So in a future video, I will be reducing my answer to lowest terms, but for this video, that is the final answer. 3/10 plus 1/14 equals 52 140ths. All right, I'm going to do one more problem. Two fourths plus 5/12. So step one, we have to combine like terms, find a common denominator. We do that by multiplying the two separate denominators. So 4 times 12 equals 48. Now to find our new numerators, we multiply each numerator times the opposite denominator. So we're going to multiply 2 times 12. 2 times 12 equals 24. 4 times 5 equals 20. We have 24 plus 20. So 24 48ths plus 20 48ths. So 24 plus 20 is 40, 44. 24 plus 20 is 44. Our denominator, now that we have a common denominator, stays the same. And we have our final answer. 2/4 plus 5/12 equals 44 48ths. And when I say final answer, I mean the final answer for this video, because our answer can be simplified. This is not reduced to lowest terms, but I like to keep my reducing fractions to lowest terms videos separate from my adding and subtracting fractions videos. I like to keep them separate because I do not want to load all of you watching up with too many steps at once. But that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.